Hey everyone, today we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna look at two different Alliance RVs and compare them for you. We're gonna look at the 370 FB and the 340 RL. So right away, when you climb in the 370, your control panel is just to the right, and there's a couple of storages. There's one above, and there's a cabinet below for you to store things. Now, as you come in just to your left, there is the seat. It's a little bench. You want to put your shoes on, you can sit there to put your shoes on. There's a nice place to keep some of your shoes there. But up above, there's a place for your wallet or your phone. There's a little pegboard. There's also a couple little octopus hangers there. All right, and then continuing to the left, you've got your dinette. Now this does seat 4. You've got your theater seating right here, right? And then you've got your sofa in the back. All right, some nice storage up above. And then across from your theater seating is, well, your living room, your theater, right? Nice smart TV. And if we come at an angle, you see the kitchen, which is really neat, okay? Nice big farmhouse sink pushed to one side, residential stove, 4 burners, nice oven, convection microwave, nice big residential refrigerator, and then there is a pantry, okay, for storing your food. This also has a half bath. All right, we're not gonna give it the tall man toilet test today because we're doing stuff a little different, okay? Little half bath. Up here, you got your king size bed. There's a little bench over here for sitting down. Maybe you wanna read a book, crawl up there, I don't know, sit down and put your shoes on or whatever. There's a 6-drawer dresser. There is a TV mounted up in here, which is also an LG Smart TV. And then when you get to the back to the bathroom, right, there's your toilet right there. Big shower, lots of room, and you got a single bowl vanity in the back here, okay? There is storage right here for some laundry, for your towels and things like that for your shower. And then in the back closet, over here is where your washer and dryer would go if you're gonna put a washer and dryer in. And then over here in the back, obviously there's a great place for hanging your clothes, some storage nooks in the back. And then this big sucker right here is a really big laundry bin. So let's go look at the other Alliance and compare the two. All right, so when you come in the 340 RL, it looks a lot different, right, doesn't it? The other one we were in, there was a hallway right here. And this one, the hallway's in the back. All right, so right when you come in, there's a little storage closet here. Your control panel is straight in front of you. All right, so underneath it, I call this your little coffee bar area, okay? That's where I'd put our coffee pot, maybe. There's some storage underneath, and there's some great storage above, okay? Over here's your dinette. Again, can seat 4. And then there's Lisa. This is your theater seating. Again, this is just like the other one, and the same couch just like the other one. When you're sitting here and looking at the TV, same TV as the other one. All this setup is basically the same as the other Alliance we were in. The kitchen is also set up very similarly with your island, the sink to one side, 4-burner residential stove, convection microwave, and a nice residential refrigerator. But this one, like I said, the hallway to get to the bedroom is on the left-hand side. And so the bathroom is not in the back, it's kind of in the middle. Now there's plenty of room here. Again, we're not doing the tall man toilet test, but there's plenty of place to store your towels and linens, single bowl sink, and a nice big shower. So just past that, on to the left here, is another set of drawers. Yeah, another set of drawers. Another closet for storage. And then we get into the back. This is also a king-size bed. I would say it's a residential, not a residential king, but rather an RV king. Across from that, this is an 8-drawer dresser. The other one had a 6-drawer dresser, right? Smart TV already installed, but this has a bench to the left and to the right. So his and her benches, which is really, really sweet. And then when you get all the way to the back, this is your back closet. Now this would be a split washer and dryer. Your washing machine would be there. Your dryer would be on this side. So So in this model, you would actually end up with a little bit less closet if you were doing washers and dryers, which I believe that's why they put this here for you. So guys, let us know what you think of these two Alliance models. We wanted to compare them, go A to B right away with them for you so that you could see what they look like. All right? We love Alliance, period. And so it's just which floor model is gonna be best for you. Guys, if this is the first time you're finding one of our videos, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you. Do us a favor, smash that like button. YouTube algorithm loves it when you smash that button. Doesn't cost you anything, and it helps us out a ton. For those who are already subscribers, we love you guys. Thank you so much for being part of the family. If you just hit that like button and subscribe, welcome to the family as well. Guys, if you're ever in the West Palm Beach area and you've stopped in at Palm Beach RV, make sure you tell them the tall man sent you. And until next time, everyone, be safe.